In this video, I'll show you how to create a workout plan with Claude AI. This is a quick way to build a fitness routine based on your goals. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a workout plan. For example, I might type, "Create a 4-week workout plan for beginners." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a workout plan, usually including exercises, schedules, and recommended routines. If I want a more personalized plan, I can include more details in my prompt, such as my fitness goals, experience level, or available equipment. For example, I might type, "Create a home workout plan for weight loss with no equipment." Claude can also help add exercise instructions, sets and reps, and rest days. Once the plan is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it for my workouts. And that's it, I've successfully created a workout plan using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.